Come test drive the 2025 Aviator. The Lincoln Aviator is the luxury division's mid-size sport utility vehicle. Based on the Ford Explorer, the Aviator combines a rugged, truck-based platform with a smooth luxury car ride. Properly equipped, Aviator can tow up to 7,300 pounds, significantly more than most imported SUVs in its size class. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: body color door handles, perimeter alarm, Bluetooth, adaptive cruise control, trip computer, tinted glass, universal garage door opener, power tilting steering wheel, compass. Elevate your status and command attention with this sleek and stylish car.